To better understand our world, ourselves, and our future, this program is made possible by the people of Chevron. Chevron, giving thought to television.
We hope you have enjoyed this presentation from the National Geographic Video Library.
What secrets lurk behind these inscrutable eyes? Is the cat a cool customer or the perfect pet? Is there a hunter lurking in every feline's heart? Mischievous or mysterious, cats have us under their spell, and they've brought a bit of wildness into our lives. Join National Geographic out on the prowl. Cats caressing the tiger.
Count 3, go. 2.
Between 1968 and 1972, 24 men left the Earth and journeyed to the moon. This is the film they brought back, and these are their words.
Stand by for touchdown. This is going to be spectacular.
I felt at home there, even though the Earth was a long ways away.
Look at the size of that rock. Good deal, boy.
There is new knowledge to be gained and new rights to be won for the progress of all mankind.
Join National Geographic for a wondrous journey into the unknown.
Man must explore.
For all mankind.